So I was having dream injections about the Illuminati. And it was the Illuminati this and the Illuminati that. Building up the Illuminati in my mind through dream injection. And in my dream, I started thinking, I thought, yeah, right. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Well, while I was thinking, yeah, right, the alarm in the whole building, fire alarm went off. Now we're waiting for someone to come and turn them off. And they've been going for about 30 minutes. No, I'd say for about 15 or 20 minutes already. So, could be a coincidence, but I doubt it. I doubt it.